Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, I personally still think this could be the end of a wave C right here. If that's true, then this would be a wave one, a wave two, and at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, I don't know which one, but one of them, it could go down, give us a break of structure, proving that it's a wave two and then going down for a big old giant wave three. So that's my main analysis still, and I would be trading all the dollar pairs based on that. But I also, because of Friday in our members only Zoom meeting, we were talking about how this could be a wave one and this could be a wave two. And instead of it breaking structure at a Fibonacci level, it would just not break structure and just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So if you're looking for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves, and it just keeps on going up, eventually going up and making a new high, then you know you're in a wave three. On the other hand, if it goes to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes a big reversal, breaks structure, then you'll know that it's probably not a wave three, that this is actually the one, the two, and we're going down to the downside in a wave three. I am definitely still very bearish the dollar itself on the very high time frame, so I would not be surprised if this was a wave two and it turned at a Fibonacci level to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.